Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Fear the Walking Dead season 7, the episodes 5 and 6 today for me, and also 7 and 8 for you on the same video. But for me, I'm gonna watch 2 episodes today, and I'm gonna keep the 2 next ones for later when they're gonna be out. I decided for this new season that I was gonna react to 4 episodes at a time, that you were gonna have one video for 4 episodes at a time, because of a lot of reasons that I already explained into the intro of the last video. The fact that I still want to react to this show because I love this character, but I have a story, you know, with this show. I was thinking, you know, about a French meme, which is I have a background. I have a background, you know, with them, because of the fact that for me, during the last seasons, they made a lot of mistakes, they made a lot of episodes which were weird, a lot of decisions that I didn't agree with, but at the same time they made also some episodes which were so great, some decisions which were so great also. Already with this show I have a love and hate story that I don't have with the characters, that I truly love all of them. That's why I want to continue to react to this show, but that's why I can't react to it episode by episode anymore. And also I have to be honest with you and with myself with the fact that these videos for the last seasons took me a lot of time, and I had to fight for them because AMSC is an asshole with me for The Walking Dead and Fear the Walking Dead. They are taking the credits, they are taking the tips when they are not just blocking the video for no reason, so I had to fight hard for them. It's a lot of work, and at the end I don't have a lot of views on it. You know that it doesn't count for me, but at the end, when I'm thinking also the fact that this show disappointed me a lot, and when I'm thinking on the fact that right now on my channel I'm reacting also to a lot of different shows, like right now Death Note, Arcane, Attack on Titan, The Legend of Korra, soon La Casa de Papel, The Witcher, The Expanse, another show that I want to try. Like right now, I'm reacting already to 9 shows, so to put one more video each Monday, you know, each week, it would have been too much, so that's why I decided to continue to react to it, and also because I want to make these videos for those of you who are following my channel for The Walking Dead and Fear the Walking Dead, but in another way. And I hope that you appreciate it. I saw that the last video pleased you, you know, the ones who were expecting it. That was okay for you, that way of doing it. No matter what, it's working for me, and I'm gonna do it again right there for these 4 episodes. That's a long intro. I'm gonna try to maybe talk during the episodes about what I think. No, because you know I have to edit a lot during it. Just about the last episodes. That type jump, it's great. This new world, this new apocalyptic world, it's a good idea about what is happening into the show right now. Strand as the new villain, I love it. You know that I love this character. Okay, he's doing bad stuff. Okay, he's saying bad stuff. Okay, what he wants to do right now, it seems like a dictator. But at the end, he's a fucking good character with a fucking good development. And stop being a hypocrite, all of you, because during these 4 episodes you were all glad that your loved ones are with him and not with you. So please stop being fucking hypocrite with that. What he's doing, it's a success. It's bad, it's a dictator. I don't want it. I would be on Morgan's side no matter what, but I'm forced to admit that it's a success. He's gonna be a fucking good villain, really, for this season, maybe also for the next ones. I love his character, I love his development. About how the show is done, the time jump was a good idea. The apocalyptic world that we have right now, not only with the dead, but also with all of what is happening right there, it's awful, and it was really well done during the first episode. during the last ones, during some moments, the environment, you know, how it was done, I was not buying it a lot. We felt it, you know, that it was done in studio and all. I saw it, you know, really like it was difficult to buy it, and during some moments I was out of the scene because of that. I was not involved just because I was judging what was happening around the characters, and the fact that that was too much or not enough, you know. Nothing at the middle, at least it was not really well done, you know, a good quality for the picture. They are playing also a lot with the different colors, with that ton of colors, and sometimes it can be well done, but it can be really quick, too much. They have to be careful with that if they want the viewers to continue to buy this new world, which is a good idea when you think about it. It's bringing something else, something new, so why not? We want news about Alicia, like always. 2 episodes today for me. Remember that if you want, you have my Patreon on which you can have this video sooner and with an extended reaction part, like for the 4 first episodes, for the first video. For each episode it was a 10-minute reaction part, when for YouTube it was more like 5 or 6 minutes, if I remember that correctly. It's also the best way to support me. You can also support me right now on YouTube by subscribing, liking, commenting. Like usually, it can help. Let's go for this episode 5. And after that, the 6, you know, I'm not making breaks between episodes. Let's go. The music, the picture. Is it a western?
We don't want no trouble.
And why are you stealing shit?
What if we say no? Nothing flies down. Oh yeah?
Clearly, western rules.
You okay?
No, I really did not want to kill anybody today.
I missed you, Dwight. I'm sorry that you had to kill someone, but I'm glad to see
The
you.
more people hear about what we're going to do,
Yeah.
he picked right. He stops the code. The kill was clean. We're not going to turn him down. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh.
I've been listening all day. Thinking about Padre.
Thanks, alright.
You know also about Padre.
I'm gonna keep looking on mine, Padre.
We don't even know what he is.
What makes you think we're gonna find it? Because every time we're out there, we hear more and more about Padre. Alright.
Who is looking for you?
I'm not sure how much longer we can dangle the Padre carrot.
Be a new base for us to keep doing what we're doing. A place for Brigger to grow up.
Be careful, I'm feeling a trap.
Your reputation is the reason I was asked to find you.
Asked by who?
You're gonna see. The guy has no limits.
Dark horses for your request. What have you found? June's here. Wendell. John knows how. Morgan?
No.
As I said, we are very particular about who we admit. Which
People who can be useful.
So she went to go look for him. What do you care?
I take great interest in the welfare of the people who inhabit this tower. I invest in them.
To make her an example also. You can't live just like that.
Bring Mickey back safely, and I'll grant you residency here.
Like they want.
And I'll start working on it.
Then gonna work for him to have a place for the family.
It's assholes like me that are keeping people safe now.
I'm sorry, but he's right. For now, his tower, that's a success. I hate to say it, it's a dictator, but
The
still.
horse is yours to keep. Victor, we're taking the Larsons. I mean, maybe we can strike up our own deal. You know, keep Kevin and Kim safe. Brig up.
Go away! Tell Fred I'm not coming back!
No way! Listen, what?
No, you're not touching Dwight.
I'm not. Yeah, okay.
From my army.
To help you find your husband.
How do you think Scram wants to drop that? So no one else finds out how you escaped.
What's the move? This special move that you have when you were, you would be distracting them and you would get up on the top ropes.
What the hell are you talking about?
A catch
Her and
Girl?
her husband were one of
Yes, wrestling. You're calling that wrestling.
Kind that protects people from guys like Strand. He sounds crazy.
Totally. He looks like a kid, you know, watching as his idol. Oh no 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 no!
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry, guys.
Steve, you thought we're on something.
We did everything the right way, you know?
Maybe Strand was right. No, it's a new world.
Come on, Dwight. You already followed someone like him. You don't want to do that again.
Odd darn.
You don't know that. You all found each other.
No, it's a different world. You're not being so lucky. I think Strand's Tower is the best place
But not for you.
for us. For us.
Ah,
I'm not going back there. Alright?
Don't do this.
Don't make me.
We have a code for a reason, and I'm not sure Senator back there is sticking to it. You can say it's for her, but I really think it'd be for us.
Don't stop looking for me on letters. Still found me. Why'd you tell him to stop looking? I didn't want him to get killed. Cliff said the same thing to me, you know. Told me to whip my ass if there came up. I can't do what he said.
like Dwight didn't do.
Me and Dwight are not like.
It's all what you did at the cellar. They were good.
And so was my friend. But that didn't stop him from killing him. It wasn't so hard, was it?
The photo. Is he working for Strand?
A place in the settlement. When I took those people out.
You're gonna let him to die?
I thought you had a code.
I thought also... Ah,
Oh, that's amazing to hear.
You're being our guy.
He always told me he didn't want to get his part in something. He just did.
Oh, we'll find him.
dead or alive? It's your man?
I want you to keep going. Why? For what? You'll find something.
Thank you, Cherry. Oh, that's bad.
You want to go school? Maybe he's right. The
No?
world is different now. Maybe this is the way it's gotta be.
You're gonna give yourself to Strand? No? Ah! Come on! It's wrestling moves. I know them.
How was that?
Failing. If you're reading this, it means I didn't make it. Find someone else who will stand in your corner like I did. I love you always. Till death do us part.
Like I said, find someone else who can stand in your corner. You got us, right?
She's gonna be a good addition to the group.
I don't know. I was thinking about my dad or everything that happened with Briga.
What?
That made me realize something that I've been thinking about for a really long time.
You want a family?
I want us to have a family.
So you want the best place for this future family?
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't even know if what I wanted.
I want that for you guys.
You have balls. I want to stand up.
You do?
Yeah.
Ha!
You're the dark horses.
Where are the rest of you?
Wrong? Think you're the first person to try and ambush us? Yes. With an invitation
To what?
to work together. Or did you know how to retrieve things from people? Now what?
Who?
Where?
Ah.
We want to find Padre.
Who are you? I'm gonna discover that during the next episode that I'm gonna watch right now. I hope. Or maybe we're gonna be with other characters. I didn't make a short review of the last episode and I thought, you know, that I would have a break between the episode 6 and the episodes 7 and 8 that I'm gonna watch after that on another day. Quick review of this episode 5. I'm glad to have Dwight back. This Mickey, I don't know how to pronounce her name, she can be really a good addition to the group. Her story with her husband was interesting because it was a mirror of Dwight and Sherry relationship. The episode on itself was cool, western mood to begin. After that, all of that story about the wrestling, that was fun. We had Strand as a villain, presented as a villain also to Dwight and Sherry. All of the things with the wrestling, I said it was fun. Maybe the reggae song on it, I'm not sure. The conclusion of it is fine for me. I'm waiting for them now to meet Morgan. Right there, that new group at the end, I don't know who they are. Are they people that we know? Maybe Alicia's group? We'll see.
You convinced me to stop running. Well, I'm asking you the same thing now.
Stop running?
Now?
Oh oh! Look at me run!
You need to tell me now. Morgan, get you in here. I'm looking for you.
Ah!
Those soldiers have something to do with why you didn't show up with everybody else at the sub.
The environment around them, we can see that it's fake, you know. No.
Just out here looking for Grace, right? That's something to do. I don't know.
Maybe of something else?
Who are they, Al? What do they want?
No witnesses.
This is a reclamation team. They one mission to destroy any evidence they were over here.
Which means us? It means you. Who are they?
Pilot who went AWOL. The pilot who lifted everyone's safety.
Where are they?
Not here. She's in hiding.
Why don't you help us?
Because I asked her to.
What are you together?
Nah!
No. I keep doing this. Taking videos for us.
Go, Grace, go! Haha.
Now?
I can draw them away from you both. Let me.
No.
Leave it without you.
Al, stop acting like you're not part of the group.
Al, you sent us here. You told us there'd be weapons.
Got it covered. Doing great. You're a kid now. You need to get back to her. They don't know anything about you,
But you do.
but I do.
It's slow when it's full of actions. It's predictable when it should be with a lot of reveals and informations.
Did you really think Ground 17 came here?
Ah! Practicing?
Don't say it anymore. There's gotta be another way.
Do you agree to this proposal?
They don't know anything. They have a daughter.
You said we have a daughter.
1.
Al.
2.
Ow! Hurry, stop! I know where she is. She told me where the cabin was. I'll take you there. You can kill me after you find it, but you have to let them go.
Al, don't. Don't give her up for us.
Are you gonna talk about?
What?
Oh, no, our daughter.
Uh-huh.
Yes, it is.
Down there. Right there. Morgan too. No, stay away. You're gonna push on. No. Surprise, motherfucker.
In here!
You have a lot of nerves.
You have one
Hands above your
last
head!
chance.
Same. Do the same.
What do you want? What's that deal? Grace? No!
No. Good job, guys. Teamwork.
Saved your life. Means you owe me an interview.
Mm.
You really know where she is? Your pilot?
Yeah.
Why you not going after her?
Yes.
Sorry, keep it on. She wanted me to come with her. She gave up everything. It's like people she never even met. Because I asked her to.
And why you not with her?
That's what we call love. Dedication to the person you love.
Because I couldn't do this thing. She'd never have let myself
Or to do so?
It's your story that you're recording, in fact, Al, not them. It's people that you met. All of these interviews, it's part of your story.
See you on the road.
Al, how can you let her leave?
You and John still came after me one more time. So, now, don't.
Reclamation 1 here. We copy.
17 remains the target. Her chopper's transponder places her at coordinates 35, 42, 24.
You're gonna find her.
They...
No matter where she is.
Are you gonna let them?
I mean, you're not going to be chasing after whatever bullshit story those people are up to.
Not sure.
This isn't about some choice you made a long time ago about giving up that camera. This is about you being scared.
Mm-hmm.
Losing her or losing yourself out.
Finding herself.
You are part of the story. And you can
I'm
pretend
telling
that
it
it's not
also.
there, that you're like a piece of machinery like that camera. You're not connected or affected, but you are. You are the story. I'm grateful I got to be a part of yours. I'm very glad that you got to be a part of mine.
That's real goodbyes. And that's a better end, you know, also for Al. Because as viewers, we can imagine the end that we want. She's going for the girl, or she's going for the adventure. She's gonna go for the girl, and that's gonna be a freaking adventure. That's the end I choose for her. I'm right, you went for the girl. I didn't know that we were gonna see it. She watched your tape.
Turn around. Now. What are you doing here? You can't
After
stay.
you.
They know you say your chopper down. You came all this way to warn me. I want to come with you. I made my peace with your decision. Even if I don't understand it. I have to this one. I can handle it. I just came with my life.
That's a good
That's okay.
Yes, that's fine for me. For an end for the two of you.
You gave up everything. So will I. Al, I don't want you to have to do that. Al! It was never about the cameras. I was scared. I know. But what's different now? Not trying. Not coming here. That was scary.
You're sweet. So sweet. Except, Isabel, I swear.
And it was you gave it a try.
Boy. Sweet. No! That's a sweet end. And yes, I think that it's the end for her character and for the presence of this actress on the show. That's a good end. That third end is better than the second one, which was already better than the first one. The first one, you know, these goodbyes with Morgan were not satisfying. For all of their stories, their relationship, it was not okay. I preferred, you know, for them to say that they care about each other, they love each other, they support each other and saying the truth also to each other. I could have been okay, you know, with just imagining that Al would go for love, but to see her going to find her love, finding her and the two of them being like that and saying like, let's go together, we're gonna run away. That's a good end. It's making me feel okay with the end of this character, with our group, with who she was, with her journey with this group and her relationships with this group, but also with her and the future that you are offering for her. So that end is okay. The 10 last minutes of this episode are okay, but the rest of the episode was slow, so slow, when you think that in fact it was so full of action moments, like this helicopter persons, Morgan and Al reunited, them talking about more, but also the plan that they made together, the fact that Al lied after that, the fact that they are working together, they are exploding these guys. I mean, all of what was before the explosion plan, you know, it lasted like during 30 minutes into the episode when it could have been only 10 minutes. Like, if you are taking out all of the silence moments and all, it's really like 10 minutes. I'm all for silence moments into shows and movies when they are well done, when they mean something, when they are there for a reason, when they are deep, when they are intense, when they are important for the characters, when they are also meant for the viewers to take the time to connect with the emotions of the characters. Right there, it was not like that. Maybe they wanted to do it, the intention was there, but how it was done, and I'm not talking about the actress because the actress was good, but how it was done, you know, maybe how it was filmed, but I think that it's more how it was written. It was not good. Sorry. The 10 last minutes are really great. This end is really cool for the character. All of the rest of the episode, it's rough when you think that it's a lot of actions and I felt like it was slow and it was not well done. Okay, I will see you again for the 2 last episodes now. Hello! After 1 episode to meet the wrestle girl with Dwight, after 1 episode to say goodbye to Al, let's go for these 2 episodes, 7 and 8. Let's go! I'm pretty, you know, for you? I don't know. I wanted to wear that thing today.
You paint what I see.
Your Majesty.
Yes, sir.
I just admitted someone with your skill set.
No! That quick?
I'm sorry, you're not what I'm looking for. We just admitted someone with your skill set.
Something wrong with her. We need to see June. Victor.
Tell him to take a hike.
Does she really need to see a doctor? I knew it!
Whatever it is.
What's going on, boss? What's going on?
She doesn't see me. No one does. Ray's Morgan, Center Patrol find us. Tell him to enter.
Huh?
Why?
Morgan can see you. Truly.
Alicia. I don't know.
You both care about Alicia.
Hey, June.
Oh.
Medicine, supplies, maybe will help people.
How's that any different to the offer that Virginia gave you?
Don't.
Ooh. Oof.
Something better than this?
Maybe. I'm working on it.
So,
Like always, Morgan.
John died because he ran. Because he didn't want to play Virginia's game. I'm not going to make that same mistake.
That's what you think.
There's something I need you to do for me. Which is what?
To find Alicia.
Doing what I ask will be the only way you'll see that little girl again.
You're taking her as an hostage?
What are they doing?
That's brilliant!
He wants to talk to you.
He?
Who's he?
Uh-huh.
What do you want? I'm beginning for my people. Let's go home. Not here, not now. Found the warhead out here. Must have been a dud.
You're gonna threaten him with the war?
those walkers you launched contaminated? No. The next ones will be.
I think that you were wrong about that guy. Strand. He has what you want, what you love.
I need an update on those people.
Uh-oh! A poison,
Lock and loaded.
Company not out.
Suggest we hold off, boss. Let me help.
Get him out of here! Hey, Victor, please.
doesn't want any help.
We'll find a way to stop these assholes.
Guys, incoming.
Yeah. Oh.
Your government's scope was glinting in the sun. It was a warning. Make sure you're not going to try anything funny.
That's methylene blue. Some of the rangers brought it back when I asked them to find Prussian blue. Someone must have put it in your food.
Someone from the inside is trying to kill you?
We need to get down to the armory. Radio brace for assistance.
Taking me up on my offer?
Uh-huh.
You won't interrogate anyone. And you're angry I turned your sister away.
Ah!
You did what?
Yes, he didn't know.
You're coming with me. What? You're gonna get me down to the armory. You're gonna connect me with Grace. As long as I have her.
Come on, Morgan.
The universe gave me him. The universe gave me this tower. We're both trying to save things that we love.
You're comparing this tower to a baby? It's your baby?
No one looks at you. We can do it. I hope you don't end up walking this world alone.
You want to save this place or not?
Morgan? Was it your plan, you know? She's cute now, Mo.
Why'd you let me in here?
You have access to the basement.
Maybe you should actually find a way to trust me.
No.
That's how you lose. You're not gonna come back for me, are you?
Said it.
Alicia.
I was right, that's what you want to ask him. And I was right, you both care about her.
All I did was get the walkie. Grace and Sarah did the rest, and it's them that you have to thank.
I can't stand
It's
when
them.
people got hurt in that lab.
She didn't think Alicia would want you finding her, she'd want me. If I kick you over the edge, she's not gonna want either of us looking.
She's really, you know, their guide about what is right and wrong.
We'll find Alicia. You're gonna have to make this the kind of place that she'd want to live.
Is it sincere? Is it gonna last? Ooh, the blue.
It's you. It's what you made me sick.
You want to work with them? I stopped them!
You still tried to kill me. You gave me no choice. I'm back away.
Oh, fuck. We were close to have you walking together again.
Some of the walkers. The ones in the material from the warhead. They got loose. I think they joined the walkers around the building.
Ooh.
What's your play?
I'll find them. I'll help you remove them.
For what?
Morgan?
Morgan's life and my daughter.
You coming here. You live under the same rules as everyone else. You don't believe I did that, baby. Didn't have to do that.
How are you, Morgan? Cheers.
I wanted to. For you. For me. For our family.
Oh, Grace.
We can have Juliana come and clean and repair.
No.
I like it like this. I'm gonna let Morgan Jones make you second guess yourself.
You're too nice with the wrong guy.
Excuse me? I didn't know you liked children.
Mm-hmm.
She's gotta get used to her new father sometime.
Oh, yeah, it's Strand. Horses. Yes!
You know why?
Yes, it is.
So are you.
Are they Alicia's
Luana?
No.
Show me where he is.
You mean she?
Alicia!
I didn't bring you here to cause trouble. Why's she here to send a trial?
Oh, fuck yes.
What are you people? You're the ones who attacked the tower?
No, those aren't my people.
Walkers!
Only walkers? The radioactive ones. No. Mask!
Everybody run now!
Oh no! Fuck. If we just discovered you, Alicia, it means that the next episode is gonna be about you, about what happened to you during all of this time. Oh yes! They were with you in the bunker. We know that you became their leader. We know that for you, people, you know, it's a group of people who have to lead, not only one person. That guy said that, you know, on another episode, that guy that Strand killed, and that guy who had feelings for you also, when you're gonna learn that he died. But some persons left you, Alicia. This one, you know, that guy who loved you, he wanted to repair a fault. These guys who attacked the tower, they were also expelled, banished, I think. It was clever what they wanted to do, you know, with the tower sending deaths like that. It was pretty clever. Like Morgan who wanted to poison you, Strand, that was clever. He didn't know that it was gonna work like that, you know, like 2 attacks at the same time. You were this close to work together again with Strand, but you know, even if they would have worked together, we know Strand, we know also Morgan. I mean, I was suspecting that Morgan had a plan. We know Strand and also the big head that he has right now. I'm not sure that both of them would have respected that deal, you know, like it's not bothering me or frustrating me that that piece that they might add didn't happen. Strand, really? Who you became? Okay, I'm gonna cut that little review right now and I'm gonna watch the next episode, the episode 8, the last one of this video for you. We're gonna discover what happened to Alicia during all of this time into the bunker, how she managed to lead all of these people. I'm so excited! I missed the girl. We all missed the girl. Even Strand and Morgan, they know that they need the girl. You know, she's guiding them. What is right or wrong? Let's go to find out.
You're Lisa Clark.
Arno. Ah.
They didn't have the chance to tell us that you were right.
What's gonna lead us to our new beginning?
No, seconds.
He warned us you might see.
Now, move!
Camp is done, Alicia.
No, that's our food, supplies, everything we had was back there.
I know.
No, we don't.
They knew.
He's gonna let you in. Your people too. He wanted me to try and find you.
No, I don't want to see you. I need your help.
With what? A walker?
The guy who attacked Strand didn't want her to find out.
It's not gonna be good.
Wait, don't!
Make one more sound and it'll be the rest.
The guy who is gonna fall in love with you.
How the hell do
Because I lived here before these assholes found it. I've been trying to find a way out ever since.
You've been down here since the start. That was years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you gonna be?
I'm gonna find a way out.
Did you have feelings for him also? It's gonna kill me if it's the case, you know. Because we know that he died.
I need you to help me find a place called Padre.
Like everyone.
Folk who were looking for that place.
You know that for
Know where?
No, I don't.
real, like, it's the truth.
He does.
That walker?
Teddy. I remember this.
Oh! It's a senator place.
What is this?
Something the old friends left behind.
Penny was right. I am the person that's gonna lead you to a new beginning. Let him go!
You heard her. No.
You were the leader before.
Leave
Oh
us.
no.
Now, go!
That's why maybe at some point you... That's why you need him to remember.
He will kill you if I leave. Do you get that?
You were afraid, Will. Don't kill the dead. I know, it's weird saying it like that.
You were fine without me.
I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about everybody else.
I don't know why I'm afraid.
Alicia.
You were there.
I'm sorry, I didn't know you were with him. Somebody inspected and helped me.
What makes you think I can do that?
You think we can do any worse?
Well, if you want to help me find Padre. Help me find a place everyone can be safe.
We don't even know if that
Yes.
place really exists.
I do.
Because all I can see is this walker who was
She has
here
proved that
for
it
a long
exists,
time,
but
and you
not
keep risking your life
where
to
it
save.
is.
Of who they once were.
No, they-
Yes, there has to be.
No, they don't. I thought that, and then my son died because of it.
I'm sorry.
You didn't help, Alicia.
No, I'm sorry for not remembering.
How it
Such
is.
trouble there. Start to forget the dead used to be alive.
I think that's why I'm here. Help you remember how things used to be.
Oh, we know that you're dead.
We'll get out. And find Padre. Finish what you're awesome.
The explosion.
I know what you've done. What you've built.
You should know that it's worked. It's better than anything we've ever had.
Yeah, how did it cost you?
Mm-hmm.
You're starting to realize that I need to see.
Like,
I don't need your tower. I don't need what you're offering. I don't
What do you need, Padre?
uh-huh.
No!
Come on, Betsy. Everyone stand back!
Goodbye!
Sorry, this is not the way I want things to go down.
You need to leave. Now!
Alicia?
Go!
Alicia? No.
Hurry, Will! I don't know what to do!
You're building something between you and the dead, and he's trying to get down the thing between you and...
I wouldn't have been able to do this without you.
Oh, hurry! He already bites you? But it was days ago, like... You cut your arm, and that's why you let him bite you another time.
You rebuild it the way you want to. You need to survive. That's a world that I want to be a part of.
Oh my dear.
I know I've known you long, but
Don't.
don't what?
Don't. Say something to me just because I'm dying.
But I won't.
Because you're not gonna die.
Because you're gonna survive. I don't understand.
I get a fever. I need you to kill me first. Can you promise me that?
It's not gonna happen.
Can you promise me that?
I promise. Alicia!
She did it!
Will,
He's there. He's just right there.
what do you mean by fever?
She started running fever.
And you didn't kill her, she told
No, I didn't
you?
get to it. Like,
Didn't get to what?
my arm, the infection.
We don't know. The infection could be for anything. Sepsis, tetanus.
Uh-huh.
Bite?
The fever. Wrong.
You didn't keep your promise.
You said
Yes.
you would kill me. I couldn't save anybody up there. I'm not gonna make that same mistake again.
And you're here now. And you still can. And I can help you.
No, you can't.
That's why you banished him? No. At the tower.
I didn't make you think we were dying.
You can't be sure of that.
The infection's still inside me, and it's only a matter of time before I lose.
You're fighting another infection.
Stronger I left.
For that, I'm sure that she's right. Which means that
I thought it was
you're gonna die, Alicia.
we'll all be alone. More chance I have. Hurting a lot of people. That's why I need you.
To kill her?
For once it wasn't your fault.
What happened to your aunt?
Doesn't matter. Will you take care of them?
I got invited myself. You know you were treated trust me. She wasn't asking.
Will, I think I know what we need to do.
He left! Fuck! It was not you. I mean, yes, you wanted him
I promised you.
out, but not really. Oh, fuck.
If I stay, I'll just remind you of a way of life that no longer exists. You need to build something better. And maybe one day, I'll get to see the world you built.
Did you know where he came from?
Yes.
That I knew him?
Yes. That's why.
Why would you kill him?
Because I knew that it would hurt you. So that I can build this tower the way it needed to be built.
Why would kill him? Do that.
Because he told me that he loved you.
How long have we hold on this?
Everybody, a week, 2 times.
Alicia.
I am taking the one thing that matters to you the most. I am taking that tower.
I'll protect it if I must.
And we're going to war.
Oh, fuck. So we are not gonna search for Padre anymore? They're going for that war, you know, between them for the tower, not for Padre anymore. I think that it's not the end, you know, for Padre. They talked about it so much, they proved us, you know, with this farce that Padre exists. It's not because that death can't bring all of you to Padre that at the end you're not gonna find it. I still think that it's gonna happen at some point, like you're gonna find it. I'm not sure that it's gonna be what you want it to be, but I'm not erasing, you know, that dream from their lives. It's gonna happen at some point. It just adds the proof that it exists, so it's not gonna be like you want. You're not gonna go to it like you thought, but I think that it's gonna happen at some point. Oh, Alicia! We knew that this group that you have right now, it was the guys from the bunker. We knew that at some point you were separated from some of them because we met Arno during the last episode and also because we met Will at the beginning. They didn't guess right, you know, your story with Will. He said you wanted him out and it was the case, but after that we can see that in fact you wanted him to stay, but it was too late, he was already out. He had feelings for you, for sure. I'm not sure that you had feelings for him, but for you he was representing the world before all of that, and also the person with who you wanted to share, you know, your hope for the future, like when she thought that she found the way to find Padre, she wanted to share that news with Will. Right there with this cult guys, Will was the one that she was willing to trust. And he died. We knew it since the beginning and you just discovered it. Oh. I could have shipped these two, you know. Will staying alive, you know, being arrested into the jail. Strand using him to blackmail Alicia, like we could have had so many stories. And really, it would have been a ship in which I would have trusted in just 2 episodes, in fact. His one and her one right there. They made me believe into that potential ship relationship. Oh, it's bad that you didn't make it. She deserves one, Alicia. Even more if she's gonna die. Okay, she's gonna die. Like, we saw that she's in pain and she told us that nothing can help. I would understand, you know, if the writers are gonna kill her, but it's not because of the bite. It's because of an infection that happened, for sure, because she cut her arm just right there. So it's more because of an infection that she caught cutting her arm that she's gonna die, than because of the bite. Like, you couldn't have survived for so many times because of someone biting you. It wouldn't be possible. Like, do we need to remind her all of the deaths that we had because death bites that person? Like Carl, for example, it didn't last for so long. For some days, okay, but not for so long. Alicia, right there, it's insane how many times you stayed alive. So no, it's not because that death bites you like that. It's because of an infection. Okay, you can't heal from it, but it's not because of that. So it means that Alicia is gonna die. Like, we already said goodbye to her during the last episode, and now the writers are preparing us to say goodbye to Alicia during this season. That's gonna be the last season for Alicia, for sure. We're gonna have the next 8 episodes, you know, for this season. I don't know when we're gonna have them, but we're gonna say goodbye to her during this ones. She's declaring a war against Strand, and she has nothing to lose anymore. She knows that she's gonna die. That's it. That's gonna be the end for you, Alicia. It's bad, it's really bad, you know, for Alicia to die because of the character, because of the fact that she's one of the characters that we have since the beginning, and her evolution is so cool during all of these seasons, and we want to keep her, you know, she's there since the beginning. It's almost her show that we are watching. So to have her being killed, it's awful for the character, for all of the relationships that she has with all of the other characters. Like, we saw how important she is for Morgan, for Strand, for a lot of them. And it's really bad also for the show itself, because again, it's almost her show and she's one of the most appreciated characters, and a lot of persons are continuing to watch Fear the Walking Dead because of Alicia. So if you're killing Alicia, I'm really worried about your show and the future of your show. She's the one that we want to see because she was right there at the beginning, so she represents your show and also the evolution of your show. So killing her, I can understand why, because you created so many stories with the other characters that you can think that you don't need her anymore. I can understand why, because maybe the actress wants to do something else. I can understand why, because it could be also the good way to renew the show, but I'm really worried about that decision for the show, the future of this show. We still have 8 more episodes, and I'm pretty sure that she's gonna be into it and she's gonna play an important role into these 8 episodes, because she's the one declaring war to Strand. She's the one in which both Strand and Morgan believes in. She's representing a lot of things for them, but also for the show, so she's gonna really hold it. But again, it's gonna prove you that this character is holding the show, and that by killing her, you're gonna make a terrible change into your show, and I'm really worried that your show can't survive her disappearing like that. About these 4 episodes together, now that I had time to think about it, the episode about Al was really not good. It was really slow. It was really, you know, like painful at some point to watch because of how slow it was, which is really wrong, because Al, I really love her character. I think that you need to keep on 10 or 15 last minutes of the episode, but all of what happened before that really could have happened in just 10 minutes. And in fact, they made 40 minutes with it. Like, It was long, it was really too long. The episode with Dwight was cool, the episode with Strand was really well done. To be with Strand character, you know, to understand his psychology right now, I mean, it's just confirming what we learned about him during all of the other episodes, but it's good to have that, and the actor is so cool. I really loved it, and you know, also to have this thing between Strand and Morgan, we have to have that, you know, their relationship is so important for the show, for these characters. It was so cool. And this episode about Alicia, we were all expecting it. Of course, they kept it for the episode 8 to make us wait, you know, during the break that we're gonna have for the second part of the season. I think that in fact I preferred these 4 episodes of the first half of the season than the 4 first episodes. And I think that the 2 last ones with Strand and Alicia were the most well done, you know, for the picture and for the defaults that I found into the first episodes, with the fact that they used too much, you know, the things about the lights, about the mist, you know, and the different colors, you know, like it was too much, like I couldn't buy some moments of this episode. I have the impression that during the 2 last ones, they didn't use that at all. And because of that, it was well done. It was Fear the Walking Dead that we were watching. I think that these 2 last episodes that I watched today are my favorite ones of this season so far. Even if it was with Strand the villain, with Morgan and Strand who can't be friends, who can't make a deal, with Alicia telling us that awful story about what happened to her during all of this time, with declaring a war between the characters, with announcing to us that Alicia is gonna die. I mean, so many awful stuff happened during these 2 episodes, and I think that still it's my favorite ones because of how it was done, because of the characters, because I recognized the characters and also the show. It felt real. I'm watching Fear the Walking Dead for that. Okay, tell me what did you think about this episode. Tell me what do you think about saying goodbye to Alicia. Tell me what do you think about Will and that potential ship that we could have had. But in fact, if they're gonna kill Alicia during the second part of the season, it's in fact logical that they are killing already a potential ship. In a way, it's logical. Tell me, what did you think about these 8 first episodes? It was cool, you know, to watch them like that, 4 episodes at once. I'm gonna do the same, you know, for the second part of the season. I don't know when we're gonna have it. If you know it, you can tell me also that on the comments. But I'm gonna do the same. It was really cool to watch them like that. Okay, so it's all for you and for me for today. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.